Hey guys, John here, Vapor Only Technologies. Today we're going to talk about how to choose the right machine for your job. This is a very common question. This is something that we see at the very beginning of a conversation with someone. So if you are remotely interested in the vapor honing process, listen up. I've got a few things to share with you that'll help you out. So the first thing that I've always asked a customer that will help us determine what product you need to go into is, what are the size of your parts? So, as you know, probably by now, we make a multitude of sizes and shapes, manual versus automated wet blasting cabinets. And with that being said, that's why we always ask the part size question. Now, we want to know 90% of the time what those size of parts will be, because you don't want to undersize the cabinet, so you don't want to have parts that are too big for the cabinet, but you also don't want to oversize. So if you're blasting a part that's this size in one of our 4,000 cabinets, that makes absolutely zero sense. If you want to buy that cabinet, I'll sell it to you, but it doesn't make any sense. So that's why we start with component size or part size. That really helps us understand what we can kind of narrow down for you to help you out. Then the next thing would be like how heavy these parts are going to be. So if they're going to be extremely heavy or are they going to be extremely light, then that's going to help us narrow down even more the cabinet that fits best for you. And then the third thing that I like to deal with is, how often are you going to be blasting and processing parts? Is this a daily thing? Is this once in a week type thing? Is this once in a month type deal? That's also going to help us narrow down what fits best for you, so that we can, again, get you the best product for the buck. You don't overspend or underspend. And those are three things that really help us. The fourth thing that I will throw in sometimes that I've always asked a customer is, how many different people are going to be using the cabinet? And you might be thinking, what the heck does that matter? Well, so it does matter a lot. And one of the reasons is you can tell some people treat things differently than others. So what I mean by that is some people will take care of the machine and some people won't. So if you have a bunch of different people using this product, and they're unsupervised, then I would highly recommend getting something that is going to be on the more durable end of the spectrum, which is going to cost more money, way more money, but you can look at that as well. So there's four factors or four variables that you should look at. So you've got the part size, you've got the weight, you've got the duration of blasting, and then you have how many people are going to be using the product. So those are just a couple things that you can think about, and if you have questions, call or email the sales team. They're always here and happy to help. And as always, thanks for watching.